Hello guys, just a quick video on this VW EOS 2008 plate. So it's come to us with an issue where the ABS lights are on, so steering light on that side, and then the ABS, traction control light and the steering light on there. And the faults that we're getting are in the power steering module, 02546 steering limit stop and 00778 for the steering angle sensor. Now, no matter how many times, this is what the customer's telling us, they've done the adaptations for the steering limit stop and the GH5 steering angle sensor, it's still not working. So if anyone has this issue, this is, well, I say fix, but this is what your issue is going to be. So what you need to ideally do is go into the brakes. I know we're using auto, it's just quicker and easier for the time being. Go into your live data on your ABS, advanced measuring values, and you want to check each four of the each of the speed sensors. So I'll just put that on there, and we've got them. And what you'll see is we'll go into graph mode on here, and you'll see as this goes which sensor isn't working correctly and which one is. So there you can see there's one sensor that isn't doing its job properly, and that is why the steering angle sensor is not adjusting as it's doing it. So everything else you can see, I'm just going to freeze this here for a second. Oh, where's it gone? Let's just go back. So let's just do that again, and we'll show you. So you can see on there, so that's freezed it there. You can see that those three are okay, and on a longer run it does work out better, but those three are okay. And then the one, which is the left front speed sensor, is giving us a dodgy reading. So when it's trying to do the steering angle sensor adjustment when you drive off to recenter it, because of that fault there, it's not doing it. So it's either going to be the reluctor ring or the ABS sensor. More than likely the reluctor ring on the hub is probably gone. So always check that first. Once that's fixed, you'll be able to do the resets and you'll be golden. Like and subscribe.